helping make your life easier. Moms Every Day.
So you have a pimple. It can be unsightly and sometimes a problem, but to some extent, it's a normal part of being a teenager or a young adult. Margaret Kontras Sutton is here to talk about how to prevent those pimples and what treatment is available. Nice to see you today, Doctor.
Nice to be here, Taryn.
Yeah, so why do we get acne to begin with?
Well, I almost want to call it a normal rite of passage of being a teenager. It's because of the internal hormones that are circulating, completely normal hormones in teenagers and young adults.
I know sometimes people even get it older, like in their 20s, right?
Absolutely. We call that adult onset acne, and it's many times in the adult woman. It's a little bit different presentation. It's more of that deep, painful nodule. Some patients will call them undergrounders because they don't really come to a head, and that's the typical acne in an adult woman.
What causes that? Hormones again?
Still hormones.
Okay. So what can we do about it?
There are a number of approaches, and of course we still don't have a cure for acne, but we have many different creams that are available. We also have a whole host of systemic treatments, anything from antibiotic pills orally to some, well, sometimes we'll even suggest hormones to treat the problem, and then even some fancy medicines like oral versions of vitamin A.
And you don't want any scarring to develop, and going to someone like you can help prevent that?
Exactly. That once you've created a scar, that is permanent. So it is our goal to address the problem early on and get it under control.
I know sometimes you will work on the acne, press on it. People might be concerned, oh my gosh, are they creating a scar? You're not. What exactly are you doing?
No, that is an expression of the clogged up pores that are present in acne, and of course the clogged up pore is what causes the acne. That's the increased oil production and the way the dead skin cells tend to not exfoliate that clogs up the pore. And every clogged up pore is a pimple waiting to happen.
Okay, so if the acne's not getting better, come and see you.
Absolutely.
You'll evaluate and see what kind of treatment
right,
they need.
and there's so many different treatments available. We'll choose the correct one for that patient.
Can sunlight help at all, being out in the sun?
Most people get better in the summer, and there probably is from sunlight, maybe less stress in the summer. So hard to say, but yeah, and we used to think diet played a role. Nowadays, we're not so sure about if there's a dietary component.
Okay, well, good to know. Thank you for being here, Doctor.
Thank you.
Yeah, and for more information on Sutton Ryan Dermatology, visit momseveryday.com or download the Moms Everyday app.
Visit Moms Every Day online or on the go through our Moms Every Day app. Download it today to find local solutions for you and your family.